got another package for video reviews. Let's see. Box inside a box. Oh, here's another smart tire inflator. We're gonna leave the box like this for now, and we'll do it over the weekend. We've been having trouble with a Toyota Tacoma that has a screw in one of the tires, so this will be perfect for it. Our CYCPLUS AL7 Smart Tire Inflator. Let's see what we got here. Oh, really nice box. Actually put this on here. Here are our wires for charging. Our adapter for the bicycle, we're gonna try that too. Some basic instructions in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different languages. These are pretty standard. We have done a lot of them, but we're gonna keep them anyway. We'll take a look if needed. Here's the actual unit. Wow, super nice. Nice design. It has this handle, very useful. Here's the hose, which is kept in here very nicely too, and we can connect it to it. Let's see first if it's charged. Yes, it is. You can see I get 4 bars, so fully charged. There you go. You can change the PSI, which is really easy, like this here, and you press here on whatever you want to charge. So bicycle, moped, SUV or vehicle. I mean, this is a pickup truck, what it will do, and a sport boat. So for this one, let's pick that vehicle icon. Let's find out what's the appropriate inflation rate for this one. So as you can see here, we have here the alert for adjust pressure. It gives a reading there when we inflate it, so let's go and do that. There it is. Let's turn it on again. Well, let's take this plastic cover off. Turn it back on. So 51 it's set. There it is. Let's go. So there it is. It stops automatically when it reaches the desired PSI. So we're ready to go. So I actually misread the measurement on the tire. It wasn't 51, it was 35. But anyway, that was a good demonstration for this inflator, because as you can see, we went way over, almost 10. But since we have that screw in there, I'm gonna leave it there and see how much we'll lose when we start driving, which is actually the opposite. It will keep it. But anyway, this was a really good demonstration for this new inflator. Try here with the bike too. I like that it has already the attachment. You don't need to put anything else here for the valve. So this one is also, this is actually 51, that I know because I've done it before. Oh, by the way, this has a very nice light, which is hard to see maybe. Wow, actually you can actually see there for any emergencies on the road. That was much faster, obviously, because it's a smaller tire. So we're done with that. Here's the USB wire to charge it, and the design is actually cool. So you can plug it in here to start charging. Let's go in the car. We didn't lose too much battery, only 25% doing these 2 tires, but you can charge it in the car with this. And again, all the accessories there. Even the charging wire can go in here. Here are the attachments for a sport ball or a soccer ball, basketball, whatever. So this is a really good design, one of the best I've seen because of the way it's set up. the light, all the wires are hidden in here, so excellent product. So just as a little demonstration, because again we didn't lose too much energy from the battery, we connected and it's charging there, as you can see. I'm gonna do like a 20-minute drive, so let's see how long it takes to recharge. I'm gonna leave it there. And again, we don't have any alerts anymore for the flat tire. So here we are. We've been driving for about half an hour, and it's not fully charged, but you can see the function here with the USB-C wire. I'm gonna unplug it now. And this model also have this adapter for a 12-volt charger, which goes here into the cigarette lighter, although nobody smokes in the cars anymore, I hope. But I didn't see the actual charger here. I don't know if that's that was missing, because this might have been appropriate to put there. Let me check here for the instruction what's in the package. Actually, no, everything that is in the package does not include the 12-volt charger for the cigarette lighter. But let me see here if there's anything else regarding that. No, it doesn't look like it. But anyway, it has the plug-in for that 12-volt. So here I am with another car. As I mentioned, it doesn't come with this adapter, this charger for the 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet, but let's try it just in case, just as a little demonstration. Should work fine. Let's turn the car on. Yeah, it's charging there. It works. And as you can see, you can make it work with that too. Although, I don't know if it's taking energy from the battery, which is almost fully charged, or the 12-volt charger. Anyway, there it is. You can get this accessory if you want to, but in reality, the battery is more than enough. There you go. It's already fully charged. It's a very good product. I love the design. Actually, this is the best I've seen. With this holder, you can take it from here. Look at that light, super bright. I've seen others that have a blinking light and a red light for emergencies, but this is enough. So this is a keeper for sure. I also really like this compartment to put everything away. Let's put the wire back there too. So super nice product. Again, I'm gonna put it back in its bag. There it is. CYCPLUS AL7. Thumbs up.